So this is the unboxing of my new iPhone 13. I used to actually hate red, but I don't know, this year's just put me in a different mood, so I guess I just decided to go with something different. And yeah, obviously things have changed. You don't get the Apple headphones like you used to. I'm recording this after the fact, actually a while after I've had my phone for maybe a week or two now, but I decided better late than never to do the upload. And yeah, I've done unboxings of my previous, I think it was my previous iPhone, and a few other things I've done unboxings of. But yeah, it's super nice, as you can see. And yeah, they've made the boxes smaller. Obviously they can do that because they're putting less in the boxes than they used to, and they've been doing that for maybe 3 or 4 years now. So yeah, this is the phone. They've gone with the the edges are gone back to how they used to be. With some of the previous iPhones, I don't remember what the 12 looked like, so maybe the 12 looked like this as well. Yeah, you get your Apple sticker. I actually didn't get everything else out of that. Maybe I should have for the video, but you got your charger. And yeah, that's the box. So there you go. And I believe I pull this off, yeah. Very nice.